Stop sending emails one by one and start making your marketing work smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving deep into MailerLite's powerful automation features to show you how to create intelligent email sequences that nurture leads and deliver the right message at the right time. First, let's build our automation in your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the Automations tab and click Create Automation. You'll then be prompted to choose a trigger while the event that kicks off your automation. For example, a subscriber joining a specific group or making a purchase. MailerLite offers a fantastic range of triggers, from simple new subscriber events to more complex actions, like a subscriber clicking a specific link in a previous email. Choose the trigger that best suits your campaign goal. Once you have your trigger, it's time to add actions. These are the emails or other tasks that will be sent to your subscribers. Click the plus icon after your trigger and select an action, typically sending an email. You can then design your email directly within MailerLite, just like you would with a regular campaign. Think about the value you're providing and craft a compelling message. That automation is about timing at a delay before your next action to create natural pauses between emails. This could be hours, days, or even weeks, while you're giving your subscribers time to digest the previous content. Now, for the truly smart part, conditions. Click the plus after your delay and select condition. This allows you to branch your automation based on subscriber behavior. For instance, you can check if they opened a previous email or clicked a specific link. Based on their response, you can send different follow-up emails. A subscriber who interacted with your last email might receive a more direct offer, while someone who didn't might get a re-engagement sequence. By chaining together triggers, actions, delays, and conditions, you can build sophisticated sequences that personalize the subscriber journey, nurture leads effectively, and ultimately drive better results for your business. Start automating today.